can kick off now. I'm not sure, Rat King, if you have any special comments or questions you would like to ask.
Hello. Sorry for the background music. That's my daughter listening to her TV. No, not really. It was mainly my question was regarding the escrow DAO that we have, and will that still be in a proposal stage, or will it be automatic? Sorry. How would we move the escrow DAO to VE DAO?
I think that's a common question. I think like the short answer to this is like the DAO is still trying to decide what to do with eDAO, like and how to connect that to BDAO more directly. There is a current discussion happening into the forum proposal, into the governance forum, which I'm happy to link you like into the general channel, which is exactly exploring a few different options on what can be done regarding eDAO and VDAO. Regarding that, like I just want to remind that eDAO was meant to be sort of an escrow. It's an escrow representation of DAO, which means like in principle before the 52 weeks, it's actually not there, right? So there are like I think a couple of options which are worth exploring. But I would suggest to jump into the discussion and then have your voice be heard because this is still very much ongoing.
All right, thanks. Because I think that it would be a bit of it would be a bit cumbersome if to move the eDAO off the chain into your wallet and then again move into VDAO. If we could have some way of transitioning directly from eDAO into VEDAO, that would make things much more simpler and more efficient gas-wise.
To be honest, like I agree. Like I think it makes also sense. Like there should be a direct connection, right? Like and then some people agree, some other like feel differently. So I think here the question is more like, is all the eDAO gonna translate to VDAO? If yes, to which proportion? Like and to what kind of lock time that would be done, right? Because like there are sort of the most natural one, since VEDO like as its own lock time would be to get the remaining time of whatever your vesting entry is in eDO and translate that. But like this could be done differently as well. So I'm gonna link this to you on the general channel so that you can see whatever the options have been discussed so far, and then also express your opinion. So yeah, I think like unfortunately we don't have like sort of a clear answer right now because like this is an active discussion so far.
Thank you.
Absolutely, no problem. The eDAO question has been asked so many times, like so before.
All right. See two more people joining, and anyone wants to jump in and throw question, concern. Right, just Kryptonda or Puissance or Block. Any comments from you? Any questions that you have? Please feel free to jump in and ask.
I think it's great that people don't have that many questions. I think we did a good job, like in making the application work well enough. By the way, why is gas so expensive right now? Like over 400. Like what's happening?
That's my same question. The gas is so expensive that I'm putting off my staking. I've been checking the gas every hour so that I can stake my dough.
Right. Like I also like when we started, it was like I don't know, 60 or something, like 50.
Yeah.
So
Well,
pretty regular. But yeah, like it's I don't know exactly what's happening.
Might be some NFT palooza going on somewhere.
Might be. Okay. That's good. That's good. Actually, looking forward to see like when the gas goes down, how things are going. Like I think we got so far around 600K though, which is pretty good.
Congrats.
Hope to see like a lot more like in a little while. 29 voting address. An average time lock is already 35 months, which is pretty nice.
Yeah, looks like almost everyone stayed for 36 months. Like maybe we should like start to look like that's the preferred option anyway.
That's great.
Can I slip in another question, not related to the staking stuff? But would you guys, are you guys exploring launching on any of the side chains?
Yeah, this is like another interesting question. Like we had L2 forum, I think it was a week ago, like a week and a half ago, which I would also sort of invite to check out the notes. Like I'm also happy to link them. We've been sort of talking about a few different ways of using L2, including the idea of distributing a slice into L2.
Mm-hmm.
And one of the things that I will link the notes, but basically, like one of the things which has been discussed is that, like, especially for the use case of Slice, because that's something that we've been thinking. Okay, it would be great, like if you could stake on L1, but then do everything else like on L2, right?
Yeah.
And that's definitely doable. Like there has been done sort of technical research around it before. One of the issues that people will eventually face in using that is basically the low liquidity of the underlying tokens on the specific L2. So that's something which is slightly concerning, right? Because like if you claim your slice in Polygon, let's say, or some other place, you want to make sure you can unwrap that and sell the tokens or do whatever you like without bridging them back, because otherwise it's like what are we even doing that? So I think that's kind of a blocker right now. Like we're trying to identify what to do. There has been some interesting discussion, which I think we'll explore more. Can sort of the DAO be a buyer of last resort for Slice on L2 if there is no liquidity available or anything like that? So that's kind of the actual reasoning. But that's the main reason why you see a lot of people on Discord asking why we didn't do like Slice on L2, and the reason is there is no liquidity for many of the tokens that we are dealing with. So that's one. Another sort of other subject that we have been discussing were, how do we build, how can we build sort of pies which make sense on L2? And there has been some interesting options in terms of, can we build sort of L2 native pies, or like can we, use especially the USD plus allocation to create this sort of bridge for having stablecoins farming on L1 and potentially having those farming on L2 as well, since we built this bridge. So I think the short answer is that like there are a few discussions that are being sort of vetted right now. I think there will be a follow-up L2 forum shortly after everything kind of settles with the PieDAO's launch. So you should definitely consider to join that.
I will definitely look into that because I'm quite interested. Because with small potatoes like me or others around, the Ethereum gas has become prohibitive. I mean, when I got into PieDAO, which was where I think was it February or March? I don't remember anymore. I mean, even then the gas was pretty prohibitive, but I liked the oven baking system. It was what attracted me to the project. Yeah, I thought it was pretty cool idea, where you have, and I have suggested this idea, especially because, on the Zapper community calls and stuff, I have like most of the time I've spoken about it. I think that was a pretty innovative idea. I think it's awesome idea the way how you guys use the. So it's like a roll up, but it's not a roll up. But it was pretty cool. I really liked it. So
Thank you.
yeah, and it would be. So I always thought like yeah, means what's next with you guys? So I'm actually quite interested. I'm quite looking forward to what you guys do next. And I think the staking stuff is awesome. I really am quite into it. I haven't gotten rid of my dough till now. I have whatever is staked and whatever I received is still there in my wallet because I was hoping that something like this might happen and it did. So I'm pretty happy about it. But
That's great.
that's my 5 cents. Thank you for listening to me.
Of course. No, well, I think I think staking is definitely something that the community has been talking for a very long time. Like Dow is exactly 1 year old yesterday, right? And today we are releasing staking, which I think is great. And it's been a long discussion. Like we always wanted to have a system which was aligning for sort of long-term holders, like and long-term alignment of token holders. And I think we reached like a pretty good solution. So I'm happy about that. I think it's gonna sort of set the ground to engage like a lot more older to be active participant, which is something I'm super excited about, and I think what really DAOs should be about in general. So I think that's that's a good thing. Like we had to focus on that for a while, and now that that we can sort of cross that they're off. Like I think there are a lot of other ideas that we want to explore. I think there is a lot of organizational work which will be done in the upcoming months. Like we've been really sort of thinking together with other collaborators, including most recently, I don't know if you saw like the community initiative, but there are people who are actively managing the bounty program, like and onboarding new people, which is something I would encourage you to check it out. Like if you're interested in participating more actively into the DAO. And yeah, we're gonna do a lot more like on that direction, right? Like how do we effectively get people who have can bring value, onboard them into productive roles within the organization, make sure they have everything they need to do their best work, guide them through the process to create a working group if they need one, and get stuff done.
I mean, I have been pretty much a passive user till now, and I'm looking forward to becoming more actively involved in PieDAO.
Dude, like that's that's the right moment for sure, 100%. Like it's there's so much work to be done from both techie and non-techie. I
Yeah.
think the framework is now in place, so
So where do I
looking
start
forward to work with you.
from?
I'm actually gonna tag you like inside the want to contribute channel, so you can check this out.
Yeah, please do tag me. But I must seriously apologize. I must leave right now. My child is asking for food.
That's totally fine. Thank you very much for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Of course, of course.
Bye.
Cheers.
Bye.
Talk soon.
Cheers.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
Bye, King.
All right. Good. Good.
Good stuff. Good overview. Any other comments from anyone?
I think there weren't many questions, so that's good. Like and regardless, like people can ping us in the general channel. I think pretty much anytime.
I do believe that we have a good base. So I mean, the interface is self-explanatory. We build a good base of questions, answers, and documentation for people to walk it through. I guess tomorrow we'll have more activity, or yeah, people want to start checking this out with more time. So far,
It's good. Like what I would suggest, maybe we can create like a thread, like staking QA
yeah,
attached under the general channel, so that we make sure we don't miss anything.
yeah, I'll do that. I'll keep collecting the questions and I'll keep updating that.
Awesome.
Yeah, so far there were diverse questions. Some topics we didn't took care of the initial documentation. Now there's an updated version of it, so it contemplates several aspects. So hopefully that gets everyone clear and on what we are doing. Good. So
Hey Matteo. Hey Mick.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello.
Yellow.
I'm now on the waiting list for the party. This cannot be right.
You're on the waiting. Yeah, you're right. We should reject your application. No, like, am I on the waiting list? I had to check. Fuck, like.
We can put a good word for you, Mick.
Thank you.
I have a few invites.
I also did. Yeah, I had to do this invite thing. Like, that's good.
So, Mick or Matteo, do you have any questions you want to shoot? Oh, Matteo just left. Mick, anything?
When is the first time you look at voting?
We have like the merging of the video snapshot strategy is scheduled for Monday 18th. So anytime after that.
Okay.
Probably anytime. So did you guys eat some cake, some pie yesterday for the dough birthday?
Was the DAO birthday already? Oh wow.
Yeah, 1 year
Yeah, it was yesterday.
anniversary.
Oh wow.
We need to eat some like at the party.
Yeah.
I think there's only cake on the menu for the party.
Oh, it should be.
Yeah.
It's like a glycemia party. Diabetes party.
We should do one of those pie throwing wars, like with cream pies.
Oh, that would have been sweet actually. Okay, that sounds like a party for sure. All right, guys. Like I think there are not many questions. Right? Like I think things are pretty clear, which I'm happy about. If there are questions, like by anyone, like either ping us on general chat or any other place within the Discord. Like I think we're gonna get those addressed. Otherwise, go and check it out the FAQ, like or the staking manual, or ping us directly if you need to.
Cool. Let's wrap it up then. Thank you, everyone.
Yep.
All right, I'm gonna merge these 3 PRs then.
Cool. Take care, everyone. Cheers.
Yep. See you on Discord. Ciao.
See you guys. Ciao, ciao.